I received a call yesterday from a prospective client. Two adult daughters were on the phone with me discussing their parents' situation. The parent is 81 years old, in need of rather immediate assistance. So in a hospital because of a fall, there's a circumstance, an illness, a condition. I don't want to get too specific. And the probable path will be that this person will go from a hospital into a skilled level nursing facility. The parent is 82 years old. No will, no advance directives, no plan in place. I'm going to give approximate numbers. Has approximately $75,000 in the bank and earns approximately $3,000 a month between Social Security and pension, retirement. So that's the scenario. $75,000 in the bank. That's the resources, the assets of this individual, and the monthly income. Well, according to Medicaid, those amounts in New York are too high to qualify for either the nursing home Medicaid or even the community Medicaid waiver program unless you use a pooled trust. So, what to do? There are steps that can be taken, but this becomes a crisis plan rather than planning in advance. The best plan would have been 61 months ago to move those assets into an irrevocable trust, because there's a 5-year look back. The look back happens now, right? So if the person needs to go to a nursing home now, you look back at last year's tax return and last year's income, really for the assets, last year's, the year before, and the year before, and the year before, and the year before, 5 years. So the plan should have been in place for the potential necessity of going into a skilled level nursing facility. People don't want to think about it. They avoid, they procrastinate, they just don't think about it as well, right? So either you've identified that it could be a situation and a circumstance in the future, and you just avoid it, or you don't even think about it. So the children told me they did think about it. However, their parent did not want to address it. So now they're in this situation. So you plan early. Put something into place so that you can have the road paved, so that you can have an ease of getting into a facility. Whereas now there's some scrambling. So think about that. Think about it in advance. Speak to your parent. Take the steps for yourself as well. Maybe it's never too early to start. Maybe not.